Good afternoon, friends! Today we are on the go-kart track leader in the Moscow region. Behind me you see a very interesting track where we continued tests of our go-karts that were made on the basis of RAM. Today we test two motors, 3 kW and 5 kW, DA90SM and DA95S. It is a new motor. And I will tell you that today the pilots, the professional pilots, have already had a run. They were really happy with it. There was rain, and as the guys said, they run much better in rain. Electric equipment is much better when it is raining than gas-powered ones. And you hear that noise, this roar, and our go-karts, they're noiseless, and if you need noise, you actually need loudspeakers. But I would like to speak about a different thing. Today I can definitely say that it is a very successful installation on the go-kart. It is a very successful project. It will definitely be in demand. And the key thing here is that these go-karts have induction motors with combined windings, which allow to reduce the consumption of the battery. Twofold, thus the run distance increases. Today we tested 3 kW motor, DA90SM, and it is 6 runs, 10 minutes each. Can you imagine that? If you have ever worked with BLDC motors that are mostly present on the market today, then you should understand that 50 ampere-hour battery does not allow to run for more than 30 minutes on a BLDC motor. You just can't do that. As for our motors, economical motors, the best motors with combined windings, of course this equipment is very economical. Briefly speaking, go-karts are really good. Good traction of motors, and which is an important thing, they have very good weight distribution. If we take any go-kart for rent or sports go-kart with internal combustion engines, all the mass there is kind of shifted backwards and on the right part. Here, however, accumulators and the motor, they are placed so that weight distribution by axis is balanced. That is why you finish a turn and you can go full throttle. Another thing which I found unusual, it is a quick response of the gas pedal. When you take a go-kart for rent, you press on the gas pedal and then there is a delay. You need time for the motor to ramp up, for the coupling to get in place. It takes time. Here you press on the gas pedal and the car moves straight away. Instantaneous response, and I think it is an interesting feature. If we go deeper in that, I would also say a couple of words about the overall weight of the machine. If we compare it to Sodi Sport, which has similar capacity, similar power, this one is 20 kilos lighter. It means that you can slow down, then after you finish a turn, you accelerate more quickly and you preserve a better speed when you actually go through those turns. To sum up, the machines are very interesting. It is quite easy to guide them, to run them, and they have some interesting features such as reverse motion. It means that you don't have to, make huge effort to get out of a place or doing certain things manually. You just get there, you switch the tumbler, and it does everything itself for the pilot. Good car, I really liked it. It has a good run. The speed is efficient. Slowing down, acceleration, they are very good. Things work really good. When you finish a sharp turn, there are no problems, no delays. You just press on the gas pedal and it moves straight away. It has a very good motion. As for brakes, they're good as well. Well, you need to get used to it a little bit. Brakes work pretty well. As for weight distribution and guiding it, running it, it is very good. I really liked it. It is like a sports go-kart like products with sports rubber. Very good to run, to guide. Weight distribution is very good. You can do waterproofing in rain. If the weather is bad, these cars will be really in demand. I really liked the car generally as compared to our 9 horsepower go-karts. Very good level. And they're even better in some ways. There were many problems, little errors, little defects, which we were eliminating throughout the year. Electric wiring, some defects. Sometimes we changed settings that influence slowdown and gas. We took into account the pilot's wishes and those of people who are in the rental business. As of today, things are 90% ready. We will now only introduce some additional options, additional features such as impact sensors, loudspeakers for those who need noise. And as for the other things, I will be sharing them with you a little bit later. Maybe I will speak about certain things at the conference. Thank you guys, it was a pleasure. A pleasure to be here today. I really liked the go-kart track, very friendly.